Today I'll show you how to perform the single leg hip thrust exercise. This is an advanced variation of the traditional hip thrust exercise that you can do if you want to challenge yourself a little bit more while you're building strength in those glutes and hamstrings. But it's also a really great exercise to build single leg strength. And building this strength on one side at a time is really important for improving muscular imbalances that exist in one leg versus the other. Say you've had a lot of injuries in one leg or even had a surgery somewhere in one leg. Odds are you have a muscular imbalance that leads to more impact on your joints, which over time can contribute to pain and arthritis. So it's really important that we add single leg strengthening into our routine, and the single leg hip thrust is a great way to do that. Let's go ahead and get started. So you set up the single leg hip thrust the same way you would set up your two-footed hip thrust, where again, I've got my box, my bench, my couch, my chair that I'm leaning my back on, resting my elbows on that box. And again, I want to find the position where I can put both of my feet flat on the floor. So this is the setup for the traditional hip thrust. Now, all I want to do is lift one leg. So I'll lift my left leg. I can straighten it out or just hold it here. And then I'm going to perform the hip thrust by just pressing through my right foot. So what it'll look like, press through that right foot, come up and down. So again, the same exact hip thrust exercise. You're just performing it on one leg, and you'll notice it's significantly more challenging. Again, so you can see the other side. Now my right leg straight, pressing through the left and coming up. The same things to keep in mind. One, foot position. You don't want it too far out where you'll feel it more in your hamstrings. You don't want your foot too far in. You'll feel it more in your quads. And just make sure that your hinge point is that mid back and that you're not putting so much pressure on your elbows and trying to do the hip thrust like that. You're really hinging at that mid back and pressing up. That's the single leg hip thrust. Give it a try. Let me know how it goes. So there you have it. That's the single leg hip thrust. And just to repeat what I said earlier, building single leg strength is an important part of managing, especially lower extremity pain as we get older. If we do have imbalances side to side from previous injuries or surgeries on one leg, it's important to strengthen your legs individually to make sure that your more dominant side doesn't take over in things like the two-footed hip thrust. And so if you take one leg out, both sides got to work equally as hard to perform the exercises, and that's how you can help regain that balance. So give it a try. Let me know how it goes. And again, as always, leave any questions in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching.